Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2011 Subaru Outback, stock number 6378. This ran from the 5th 2009 to the 9th 2012. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no damage, left rear door no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door 6 dents, right front door has a light crease on the top, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,